Who invented the Internet? What most of us think of as the Internet is really just the pretty face of the operation: browser windows, websites, URLs, and search bars. But the real Internet, the brain behind the information superhighway, is an intricate set of protocols and rules that someone had to develop before we could get to the World Wide Web. Computer scientists Vinton, Cerf, and Kahn are credited with inventing the Internet communication protocols we use today and the system referred to as the Internet. Before the current iteration of the Internet, long-distance networking between computers was first accomplished in a 1969 experiment by two research teams at UCLA and Stanford. Though the system crashed during the initial attempt to log into the neighboring computer, the researchers, led by Leonard Kleinrock, succeeded in creating the first two-node network. The experiment was also the first test of packet switching, a method of transferring data between two computer systems. Packet switching separates information into smaller packets of data that are then transported across multiple different channels and reassembled at their destination. The packet switching method is still the basis of data transfer today. When you send an email to someone, instead of needing to establish a connection with the recipient before you send, the email is broken up into packets and can be read once all of the packets have been reassembled and received. Did you know? The history of the Internet. Discover how the Internet grew to connect billions of people worldwide. How was the Internet invented? Encyclopedia Britannica, Inc. Cerf and Kahn developed a set of guidelines for data transfer using packet switching in 1980, calling those guidelines TCP/IP, or Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. The TCP part of the protocol is in charge of packing the data before it moves across the network and unpacking it once it has arrived. The IP component acts as the trip coordinator and maps the movement of information from its start point to its end point. While Kleinrock's experiment proved that a single network between two computer systems was possible, Cerf and Kahn's TCP/IP provided the backbone for an efficient and large web of interconnected networks, thus the name Internet. Though other protocols were developed and used before TCP/IP, such as the File Transfer Protocol, FTP, and Network Control Protocol, NCP, the Internet as we know it today is built on the basis of Cerf and Kahn's network of networks.